This repair video for the P0402 error code is specifically tailored for Ford's drivers. If your Ford is showing a P0402 code, this is for you. It indicated that the EGR system is recirculating too much exhaust gas back into the engine, usually due to a faulty EGR valve or related sensor like the differential pressure sensor. Under this circumstance, distance driving is permitted, but your vehicle should be repaired as soon as possible. So, what causes this imbalance? Here are the most common culprits. This error could be caused by these possible faults in your car. Clogged EGR valve, faulty EGR control solenoid, damaged vacuum hoses, EGR temperature sensor issues, restricted EGR passages. Here are two simple DIY methods you can try to solve this problem. The EGR valve. Looking at the engine from the front, the EGR valve is located towards the rear of the engine, just to the right side of the center. First, carefully remove the EGR valve from your car. Turn the EGR valve upside down and fill it up with the WD-40 cleaner. Let it soak for 5 hours for the solvent to get rid of all the carbon buildups. After the clean EGR valve gets dry, reinstall it back in the car. If it is too dirty to be cleaned, you may replace it with a new EGR valve. Method B, the intake manifold. The intake manifold sits on top of the engine and plays a key role in the combustion process. First, carefully remove the intake manifold from the engine. Use the WD-40 cleaner to clean up the crud inside the intake manifold. And wipe it well to make sure all the carbon buildup is now removed. Reinstall the intake manifold back after the cleaned intake manifold is dried. So here are two of the most practical solutions to fix the P0402 error code. This error can occur with any car, but is most often found on the following cars: Ford, Mazda, Jeep, Nissan, BMW, Honda, and more. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.